All right, the kitchen's busy, but we're doing a cooking demonstration. What you're gonna need for this is blender, cutting board. You're gonna need cauliflower. You need 1 cauliflower for 2 personal pizzas. Then you're gonna need 2 eggs with that. Then for the pizza toppings, these are completely optional, but tomato sauce, mozzarella, and pepperoni. And then we're also gonna need baking pans and a frying pan. Oh, and some of this. First step is you're gonna wanna peel the leaves off the cauliflower. Then you're gonna wanna cut off the stem right there. After that, cut it in half. Then cut it into quarters. After you cut it into quarters, cut it diagonally down like that. Then now you'll see that you're able to easily pick it off into little clumps like broccoli comes in. All right, then once you have all your florets, you just place them into the blender. Try to make sure the blades don't stop it from going down. Right, then blend it until it's like about around the consistency of porridge. Next thing you're gonna wanna do is get like a very, well in my case, you're just gonna need something like very wide. For me, it's because I have so much stuff, but you're really gonna wanna like flatten it out, like mix it up a bunch, but you're gonna wanna cook it on like high heat to get as much moisture out as possible. All right, next step is once you sufficiently like cooked it to get all the moisture out, you wanna lay it out all into some paper towels. Then just get your spatula and spread it out so it's evenly spread around, just so it can like easily cool off. And then once it cools off, we can pat it down and get all the rest of the moisture out. All right, now that you've sufficiently let it cool, you're just gonna wanna get a big wad of paper towels and just dry everything off. Just get as much moisture as you physically can out of it. Your next step is just to mix everything together. It's easy. Add 1 ounce of grated Parmesan cheese. I would like you to know that this is not how big they actually are. I'm doing a triple batch for you guys. Then you're gonna wanna add 2 ounces of grated mozzarella cheese. And then 2 eggs. I just wanted to do the 1 hand crack. Then you are going to mix. You can do this however you would please. I'm gonna do it with this spatula. Next, you're gonna wanna lay out some parchment paper and take your serving of the dough. But for 1 cauliflower, this will roughly make two little pizzas that you're gonna wanna spread out, make sure they're nice and flat. This pizza is supposed to be made flat, but just spread them out nice and flat, and also make sure you spread them out evenly. Make sure, just make the edges real nice, and just do this for the rest of your pizzas also. Next, you're just gonna wanna par bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for around 15 to 20 minutes. We usually go to like the 20-minute side just so they're nice and crispy though. So, all right guys, this is the reason the pizza has this many calories. This just takes up pretty much, this is barely any of the calories. This is all of it. You can make this however you want. This is how I'm gonna make it. Just get some tomato sauce, dump it on. Get a spoon. This probably wasn't enough, but I'm just gonna go over it again. It's probably about good. Then just get your cheese. Sprinkle that on. I'm really bad at doing this. I have 2 dogs at my feet begging for cheese right now. You want to pan down to that? One on both sides. Then we are just going to get pepperonis. What we have here are turkey pepperonis because they're lower in fat. Even though these toppings are quite a lot in calories, this just lowers it by a bit. I am a pepperoni heavy person, but I'm making this for you guys. I don't know what you guys like, so I'm just going to put a couple on, and you're pretty much good. All right, last step, we're gonna put it back in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 12 minutes, and then you're done. Have fun with pizza.